What's up, everybody? Today is my mom's birthday, so she wants to have some potato soup for supper, and Colton doesn't like potato soup, so we're gonna go out and catch him some fish to have with dinner. So join us with our journey. Alright, so I don't know what fishing pole I want to use. We have several different options, which we do have more, but not all of them are set up for the right thing. The fish like to chase after these little spinner baits. They love that, especially this color. We get bites on them quite often, actually. And also they like to chase after these little worm type things. I don't know what the called. Dad just got them off the line someday. The yums. But they look really good as well. The fish chase after them all the time. So I think I'll have to set up a pool with that bait on it, because we don't have one set up with that bait. So I'm gonna, actually we do. Okay, I didn't see that. Here's my little cat. She loves attention. She's so fluffy though. Yeah. Okay, so now I have to find a bucket to use. Dad said that there was a green bucket over here next to the truck. So there it is. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this on. I'm gonna get my worm. Fresh, just right. Now, I don't know if I'm putting this on right, but I'm just gonna do the best I can. Let's hope it stays on, because I don't like to put worms unnecessarily, but oh well. Sometimes you just have to live with it. Alright, so that's all ready. Now we're gonna go over to where we always get all the good bites. Alright, I'm gonna head down underneath of the bridge. There's some good fishing down there. But for now, I'm gonna take my little baggie and go down to the spot. So right across the bridge, right over there by the other side where the rocks are, I get some fish over there. So let's hope that they're hungry today and wanting food, because my brother is gonna be hungry and wanting food. So let's hope they come and bite. I didn't really get it exactly where I wanted it to be, but so I'm gonna bring it in and cast it again. Now let's cast it. That's about the area I wanted it. Like that. Look. Options. So I think I'm just gonna put this on and see what they do. Alright, so actually I just decided to be smart, because I already had a pool that had that bait on it. So I'm gonna just go up and grab that pool that had that bait on it instead of having to waste time and putting it on a new pool myself, which I could just use if we start to get bites, because then I won't have to change it out again. Alright, since we're not having luck with the yum bait, I'm going up to get our spinner bait, because I think that's the one that we catch the most fish on. At least other places. I don't know about here. But first, I'm gonna get a drink of water. Oh my goodness, I just got one. I feel so bad because I didn't turn the camera on. I was afraid it was gonna come off because, well, we got some food. Now don't move, you. I don't want to get hooked. It's not gonna be my day if I do. Open your mouth. I can't see. I can't see. Open that little mouth. Okay, well, he's hooked pretty good, so I don't think he would have. Sorry if you can't see. It's on my... Come on. Don't you move. Alright. Look at that. Yes. Look at it. Oh, I'm so happy. Well, I'm gonna go and get the bucket now. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh my. We're having here for dinner. Now, I'm telling you, those spinnerbaits are good. A spinnerbait is very good to use. Now, I didn't get a bass on it, but I did get a fish. At least don't think this is a bass. I can't tell fish yet. Oh my gosh, that water is freezing. Alright, so Dad just got 2 fish while I was trying to get line out of the tree because supposedly I threw this rod and the string went over a tree, and so the line broke. Dad came to try and help, but so yeah. Dad, what kind of fish did you say this was?
Shiner.
It's a shiner, so it's no good to eat and it's too small. So we're not keeping this fellow. We're gonna head out from this place. So we gotta have everything all cleaned up. Alright, so we were driving back home and Dad was like, oh, we should come over here and see if we can catch anything. We're taking a little adventure, well, another one, back into the woods. But anyways, so that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna have to go over the railroad tracks. Stream, there's poison ivy. Did we go through here when we go kayaking, Dad?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
So, oh.
You've never went this way.
Careful, Dad. Oh my word. Alright, first cast. Nope, doesn't seem like it. I don't think we're gonna catch anything here. I don't think so.
Small little creek chub, just right here in this log jam area right here, just past the bridge, the rail bridge. So our adventure wasn't nothing. We at least got something out of it.
Now I'm waiting for me to get a bass or what is it called? A sunfish. Creek chub. He's very slimy though. And right there. It's poison ivy, I believe, from what my camp instructors, if I can say it right, told me. So, don't get into that. It's fun to watch it. That was there before. Alright, he made it across.
5K.
5K, yeah, that I raced. I don't know if it's shut all the way, but nice. All the people. There's the river. That's what we were fishing on. Alright, guys. So we have 1 filleted and 2 to go. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and fry all the fish. First we have to take them out of the milk, pat them down on that. Kind of just fold that over.
I don't think it has to be completely patted dry.
Yeah.
Just because we're wanting some of that milk on there for kind of like a little bit of for it to stick to it. So this is some Andy's seasoning fish breading. So we're just going to put some of that in the bag.
Put a little more in it.
We'll just try that at first and see. Just do a couple pieces. So just put a couple pieces in there. Shake it up, make sure it gets really good and coated. So we're just gonna set them out and we're just gonna let them stand for about 5 minutes with the breading on it and just let it, I don't know, that's what the instructions say. So that's what we're gonna actually do, is follow the instructions.
Alright, 5 minutes are up. Make sure your oil is nice and hot and we're ready to go.
Don't drop them in there. Make sure you get them and set them in there.
2 pieces.
Golden brown is how we're gonna fry them too.
Yep.
So we don't have like a strainer type setup for frying, but you want to make sure that you are draining your grease off of it, getting the grease off of it. That's going to taste better, unless you like the grease.
Taste test time. Not good. So good. It's not burnt. It's just white. It's nice and crispy. Well, guys, thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. And you know what to do. Comment below, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next adventure.